Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting and cash stuffing, including sinking funds and savings challenges. So today I have for you a cash stuffing. We are going to be stuffing our sinking funds, our savings challenge binder, and also our Disney binder. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you stick around for the rest of this video and subscribe to my channel. All right, y'all, let's get into it. First things first, let's count up our money. We have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, so 420, 450, 460, 470, 480, 490, 500, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So $525 to work with today. All right, so we are going to start with our sinking funds. All right, so car maintenance is going to be getting $100 today. So 20, 40, 60, 81. My husband's brakes need to be changed, and those things are not cheap for his car. So $100 it is. 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 205. So we have 205 in car maintenance. Car mods is going to be getting $10 today. So we are now at 100, 200, 220, 240, 250. Racing events is going to be getting $10. And we are now at 10, 20, 25. Health will be getting $20. So we are at 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10. Whoop. So $110 for health. Running will be getting $20, and we are up to 41. Nothing in home or clothing this week. Gifts will be getting $100. So 20, 40, 60, 81. And that is because we have a wedding this week. And actually, when you will be watching this, which is Friday, that's the day of the wedding. So we will most likely be giving cash, but I'm not 100% sure yet, but I wanted to stuff some money in there for that. So we are at 120 there. Our emergency savings challenge, we are stuffing, we are stuffing $7 there today. So we've got 5, 6, 7. Oh, wait. Nope, we're okay. Okay, $7. So now for our emergency savings challenge, we have 100, 120, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So 135. We are making some decent progress there. All right, we are moving on to our savings challenges. First up is going to be our retirement savings challenge. And we are stuffing that with $23 today. So 20, 21, 22, 23. So we are now at 100, 200, 220, 240, 250, 260, 270, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. All right, next up is our $1 challenge. I am stuffing every $1 bill that has the letter A on it that I get from my tips each week. This week we are putting in $4. And y'all, I really need to find, I know I keep saying this, I really need to find something else to put these ones in right now, because I'm gonna crack this envelope open. I'm not gonna count all that, but we should be up to $46. Next up is our credit card savings challenge. Each month I cash in my credit card points, and I am stuffing all the money I save from that into this challenge, and we are stuffing that with $31 today. So we are up to 100, 200, 220, 240, 260, 270, 275, 76, 77. So that is $277, and we are at the 6-month mark for that, and that's just by using our credit card responsibly. We have earned $277. Most likely this is going to be going towards our Disney fund to make some progress there, but I'm going to wait and see what we get in a year and put it towards it then. Nothing for vacation. This is fully funded, and as of this video, our vacation starts today, y'all, and I am ready. It's kind of turning into more of a staycation, but I'm not mad at it. So we'll go over next week how I use this envelope, so make sure you stick around for that video. We are not going to be stuffing electronics right now. That's kind of on the back burner for me. Pet emergency, we don't have too much this week, but we are going to put $10 towards that today, so we get to color in one of the bones. And my goal for this was about $1,000 to get this up to, but I kind of feel like I want to reset my little numbers here and like kind of restart this pet emergency one. I feel like I need smaller numbers just because of where our budget is right now, but I still want to be putting stuff towards it each week. So I might redo it, I might not, we'll see. But we are up to $110 for the pet emergency fund. Next up is date night, and at date night we are going to be doing $5 today. So we get to color in one of the little champagne flutes. We're making a nice little progress here. So far we have $50, $70, $75, and we are more than a third of the way there. All right, we are not stuffing this one today. So let's move on to my favorite binder. We are in the Disney binder. All right, so we are gonna make a big dent here in Resort, and we are stuffing $150, which means we get to color in a bed. So let's go ahead and do that. Y'all, we only have one more bed left to fill for this challenge, and that is our biggest number. So one more bed, but we do have a few more of those showers, and those are 100. But let's go ahead and do that. We've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, and 50. So 150. And let's get organized over here. All right. So for Resort, we have $1,000 in the bank. And now we have 50, 100, 50, 200, 50, 300, 50, 400, for 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 600, 10, 20, 25. So 1,625. Whoops, and I stuffed my sheet behind. Let me fix this real quick. There we go. And we're getting there. We are getting there. We are almost 2/3 of the way there. I'd say we are a little over half, and I'm excited for that. Okay. The last thing we are going to be stuffing in this binder today is going to be snacks. And we are putting $15 towards that, which means we get to color in one of the little ice cream cones. I like to pretend that it's a Dole Whip. I am ready for a Dole Whip, y'all. All right, so we have $10, $15, $20, $25, $30 towards snacks. And that's it for today. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will have our weekly cash unstuffing up on Sunday. And I should have a server income video for next week because I did work 3 shifts this week, or 3 days, I should say. But I'm not sure at this point what our cash stuffing for next week is going to be looking like. But we will have some videos out next week despite me going on vacation. So I hope y'all enjoy your weekend. I know I will be, and I'll see you next week. Bye.